Next question: explain the concept and implication of the phenomena of gentrification. So gentrification is a process of neighborhood transformation in which working class or poor or residents are displaced by influx of middle class residents. It results in increase in private housing stock, value of property rises. The concept as well as phenomena of gentrification has covered over time, as during 1960 it was seen as the process of which upgradation of older households and inner city neighborhood began to take place, along with a redevelopment of residential and retail property. So slum plus poverty. So cultural central port and slum plus poverty is seen as a bloat, and thus if city has to grow continuously, it has to upgrade this bloat. From 70s and 80s, due to development of radical and Marxist geography, and thus geography was analyzed critically and associated with resistant movements developing from neighborhood. Thus, according to radical geographers, gentrification was seen as an area of poor class being encroached upon the richer class and visualized in the form of social struggle between the classes. In 1980s, the concept of gentrification was extended to fringe of the city as well, and the concept of rural gentrification was also evolved due to development of transport and communication. Encroachment was also seen at fringe of cities. Thus, it was essentially tied with phenomena of urban sprawl. So, associated issue, it might lead to social tensions among different segments of the society. One component of the smart city mission is displacement and rehabilitation of slums, which might pose a challenge to the existing order. Urban rural fringe problems. Rural gentrification will lead to environmental issue, that is fertile land and divided to urban land use, and compromise food security, and unplanned or haphazard development, especially in developing countries, and will pose challenges to provide urban amenities. Apart from this, it will also lead to issue of loss of cultural identity and population shift in age and change management.